In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on your Sony Bravia TV. Now, over here is my Sony Bravia TV. This is specifically the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony Bravia TV you have. So if you try connecting your Sony Bravia TV to Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, and after connecting it, you're seeing the Wi-Fi limited connection problem or Wi-Fi connected but there is no internet access, just as it is shown on my Sony Bravia TV. To fix this issue, basically you want to go over to the settings of your Sony Bravia TV. So from the settings of your Sony Bravia TV, usually at the top right corner of the TV, you want to come over to the system settings on your Sony Bravia TV, and then just go ahead and get to the date and time settings. Now on the date and time settings, you want to make sure that automatic date and time is not turned off on your Sony Bravia TV, or in some Sony Bravia TVs you're going to see the use network provided time or auto synchronization, whatever it is named. Just make sure that this is not turned off on your Sony Bravia TV. Once you have turned it on, you can now go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your Sony Bravia TV, and from the Wi-Fi settings you just want to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on once again. And trust me, your Sony Bravia TV should be able to connect, and there will also be internet access on the TV as well. Now another thing you can actually do to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Sony Bravia TV is to simply just go ahead and hard restart the TV. To do this, you want to just make sure you turn off your Sony Bravia TV, then proceed to the wall sockets where the TV is plugged, and then just unplug it. Wait for about 5 seconds, and then you just want to go ahead and look for the power or menu button that is usually below the Sony logo on your Sony Bravia TV. In some models of Sony Bravia TV, you're going to find the power or menu button at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of the TV. Just go ahead and long press on that button, and then go ahead and turn back your Sony Bravia TV on again. Now this time, before you connect it to the Wi-Fi, make sure that your router does not have any issue. You can as well just connect other devices to your router just to be sure that the problem is not from your router, and then proceed to connect your Sony Bravia TV to the router, and trust me, this time it is going to work perfectly well without any issue. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.